Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to check Walmart gift card balance. So if you want to check your Walmart gift card balance, first of all what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is tap on the search bar. Now simply type in this link walmart.com/account/gift cards /balance. Now search for it. Now after you do that, you'll directly be led to the gift cards interface of Walmart. From here, you'll be able to check the gift card balance. All you have to do is enter your card number and PIN over here. If you do not know where your card number is, in the physical gift card, you'll have to scratch off the silver coating on the back of the card and you'll be able to see the 16-digit gift card number. Also, you'll be able to see the PIN. For e-gift card, you'll have to check the confirmation email. Now, what you have to do is tap on the field of card number. Now, simply enter the 16-digit card number over here. Make sure to enter the correct card number. Now, also tap on the field of PIN. Now, what you have to do is enter the PIN over here. Now, after you enter those informations, what you have to do is tap on this option, check balance, that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be able to check the gift card balance. So that is how you check Walmart gift card balance. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.